Have you ever noticed something strange? The moment you stop caring about someone, they suddenly start caring about you. It feels confusing, almost unfair, like when you were giving your time, your attention, your loyalty. It wasn't enough. But the second you pull back, they come closer. Messages become faster, their tone becomes softer, and suddenly, they see your value. The question is, why does this happen? Why do some people only value you after you stop caring? Psychology explains something uncomfortable. Humans are wired to notice what feels uncertain. When you're always available, always replying, always showing up, your presence becomes predictable. And anything predictable slowly loses its emotional impact. It's not that you had no value before. It's that your value became invisible through constant availability. You were always there, so they never had to feel the risk of losing you. And without risk, there's no urgency, no appreciation, no fear. But the moment you stop caring, or at least stop showing it, something shifts inside them. Your absence creates a gap, and that gap forces them to feel what they were ignoring. Now suddenly, they notice your silence. They question your distance. They feel your absence in ways they never felt your presence. And that's when value appears. Not because you changed, but because their perception changed. There's also another deeper truth. Some people don't respond to love. They respond to loss. When everything is given freely, without boundaries, without limits, it doesn't trigger respect in certain personalities. Instead, it creates comfort, and comfort can slowly turn into carelessness. They start assuming you'll always be there, no matter how they act, no matter how little effort they give. And that assumption slowly kills your value in their eyes. But when you step back, when you stop chasing, when you stop over-explaining, you remove that comfort, and suddenly they are forced to confront a reality they were avoiding. You are not guaranteed. You are not permanent. And that realization creates something powerful: fear of loss. And here's the truth most people don't want to accept. People often don't appreciate what they have. They appreciate what they almost lost. That's why you'll see someone ignore you for weeks. But the moment you go quiet, they check on you. That's why they take hours to reply. But when you stop replying, they double text. It's not magic, it's psychology. Your absence speaks louder than your presence ever did. But this doesn't mean you should play games or pretend to not care just to get attention. Because fake distance is still a form of chasing. The real shift happens when you genuinely start valuing yourself more than their inconsistent behavior. When you stop trying to prove your worth and start protecting it instead. When your energy is no longer dependent on how they treat you, but on how you treat yourself. That's when your behavior naturally changes. You stop overgiving. You stop tolerating disrespect. You stop explaining your boundaries again and again. And without saying anything, your actions send a clear message. Access to me is not free anymore. And this is where something powerful happens. The same people who once took you for granted begin to see you differently. Not because you became someone new, but because you stopped being someone easy to lose. And there's another layer to this. When you care too much, too openly, too consistently, you unknowingly remove the space for the other person to invest. Relationships are built on mutual effort. But if one person is doing everything, the other slowly does nothing. Not always intentionally, but gradually. Your constant effort covers their lack of effort, and over time, imbalance becomes normal. But when you stop caring, or stop over-caring, you restore that balance. Now they have to decide, step up, or lose you. And that decision reveals everything about their true intentions. Because someone who truly values you doesn't need to lose you to realize your worth. They recognize it while you're still there. They respect your effort. They match your energy. They don't make you feel like you're asking for too much when you're only asking for basic respect. So if someone suddenly starts valuing you only after you stop caring, don't mistake that for love. Sometimes it's not appreciation, it's reaction. They're reacting to the change, not necessarily valuing the person. And once you go back to your old patterns, the cycle repeats. That's why the real power is not in making them chase you. It's in deciding whether they deserve access to you at all. Because your value should never depend on someone else's realization. It should be something you carry. whether they see it or not. And once you understand this, everything changes. You stop chasing closure. You stop begging for consistency. You stop trying to fix people who were never trying to keep you. Instead, you choose peace over confusion, distance over disrespect, and self-respect over temporary attention. And ironically, that's when people start noticing you the most. Not because you're trying harder, but because you finally stopped trying where it wasn't valued. So if you're in a situation where someone only sees your worth after you pull away, don't rush back. Watch their actions. Watch their consistency. Because real value isn't proven in moments of fear. It's proven in moments of comfort. And if they only show up when they feel like losing you, then they're not valuing you. They're valuing their access to you. And you deserve more than that. You deserve someone who chooses you, even when they know you're not going anywhere. So remember this. Your silence is not weakness. Your distance is not loss. Sometimes, it's the moment you finally reclaim your worth. Follow Dark Within for more real psychological truths. And tell me in the comments, have you ever seen someone start caring only after you stopped?